Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to answer you 4 questions about Python. First of all, what is Python? Then, what is behind its success? Then, what is Python good for? And who uses Python? Alright, let's get started. So these days Python is one of the most loved programming language. Let's see what's behind its success. Python is an extremely simple language. It is easy to learn, so it's a great choice for absolute beginners. Compared to C or C++, Python is a high-level language, which basically means it's easier to use than low-level ones. Programmers and software companies also love it because they need less resources to build their solutions. On top of that, Python has gathered a huge community, so you can have any specific problem, you will find the answer for it. It is also cross-platform, it runs on Windows, Mac and Linux. And all of these together make Python a very popular language. That's nice, but what is Python good for? In short, you can do pretty much anything you want with it. You can use it for building web applications with Flask or Django. These are frameworks, where Django is more of a full-stack framework, while Flask is a lightweight minimalist web framework. For data science, there is TensorFlow for machine learning, NumPy for scientific computing, EarthPy for earth science, and there's even an AstroPy for performing astronomy-related calculations. You can build scripts, which are small programs that are designed to automate simple tasks. With Python, you can also program your Raspberry Pi. It is able to build games with Pygame, but for game development you should rather use the Unity platform, which is based on C#. And you can build desktop applications as well. For this purpose, you have tkinter or Qt. But again, for creating desktop applications, you should rather use C#, Java, or JavaScript with Electron. Why tech giants like Instagram prefers using Python? Instagram uses Python because of its reputation for simplicity and practicality, which aligns well with their philosophy of do the simple things first. Developers at Netflix have the freedom to choose the technologies best suited for the job. More and more developers turn to Python due to its rich libraries included standard library, succinct and clean still expressive syntax, large developer community, and a wealth of third-party libraries. Dropbox moved from Python 2.7 to Python 3 as one of the largest Python migrations ever. They use Python because it has cross-platform support, it produces readable code, and it's easy to learn. These strengths of Python were critical to Dropbox early and rapid scaling. The quick development cycle what Python makes possible was crucial to implementing, testing, and deploying new features. The main 2 places where Spotify uses Python are backend services and data analysis. They claim the speed of development is one of the main priorities for them. Uber's engineers primarily write programs in Python, Node.js, Go, and Java. They started with 2 main languages, Node.js for the marketplace team and Python for everyone else. These languages still power most services running at Uber today.